Okay. So, for family 1, so this is Mujarrad family. So it looks like it's one family, but there's actually like 6 smaller family in this one family. Okay, but it's all
Okay.
family 1. Okay, so that's why I cannot like give you one thing to memorize, because if you see, there's no haraka on the middle one. Yes,
Okay.
there's no haraka on the middle root letter because it depends on what is the sub, like we call it tribe or clan of the family 1. Okay, so basically your madi will always be fa something la. Is either fathah, either kasrah, either dhamma. Okay, and the mudhari will depend on that tribe. And then yaf, lu, that will always be the case. So this one, the mudhari from family 5 onwards already, there's no dhamma on the ya. Yes, all is fathah. So yaf, either fathah, either dhamma, either kasrah. So yaf alu, yaf ulu, yaf ilu, depends on the tribe. Okay, so that is the one that if you can, you memorize. Okay, I will say try to memorize at least the madi mudhari, even if you don't memorize the whole line. Okay, because the others is quite easy. The masdar, okay, I'll talk about the masdar in a bit. The ism fa'il is basically the pattern of fa'ilun. Okay, so fa'ilun, very easy, right? And the ism maf'ul is the pattern of maf'ulun.
Okay.
Yes, okay. The madi and mudhari majhul is basically ui and ua. So this is normal. Yes. The amr obviously from the mudhari. So again, I don't put a harakah here because it depends on the harakah here. Same thing with the nahi. And then ism zarf, you have 3 possible patterns. Okay, so basically whatever root letters you are looking at, you can put it into 3. Okay, like you said, like we talked just now, right? We can put into all the family. But what is being used with the Arabs, that's actually what is that's actually what you will use basically. Okay, so the ism zarf basically is maf'alun, maf'ilun, and maf'alatun. If you find this difficult to remember, you can remember masjid, madrasatun, madrasah. Okay, so this is maf'al, and then the others is maf'il and maf'alatun, masjid and madrasatun. Okay, now the master here, okay, in family 1, the master you cannot, there's no set pattern. Like in all the other families, right? Allama yu'allimu ta'liman, there's a set pattern. Family 5, there's another pattern, right? Each family has its own pattern. Family 1, you have to basically, this is like a vocabulary thing that you have to try to remember. So to know the master, you have to see the dictionary. Okay,
Okay.
so let's go there, the dictionary. We are at here, ba shin ro. Yes. So how to, yes, so the root letters here is ba shin ro. How to read this is actually, they give you the madi. So the madi is ba sharo. The mudhari for it is I means kasra on the middle.
Ain kalimah.
Yes. Okay, so ba sharo ya bashiru.
Ya bashiru.
Yes. But sometimes they have more than one pattern. So it can also be bashiro ya basharu. A is fathah. Okay, so doma will be you. Okay, the madi they will write for you full, but the next word is the mudhari. The I, A, or the U after it is the mudhari. Okay. Okay. Somehow this one doesn't have a master. Okay, this one ba sin mim. Okay, ba sama ya bersimu kasrah.
Ya bashiru. Okay.
Yes.
Kasrah.
Okay, this word here in bracket is the masdar of these root letters.
How to read that one?
Yeah, so if they don't give you the Arabic, right, this means that the root letters only consist of these letters. So bas and then mim, they never say mun or man or min because can be rafa, can be nasab, can be jar.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so means that ba has a fathah, sin has a sukun, basmun, basman, basmin. Understand?
Okay. Understand. Okay.
If they give you Arabic like this one, you see, this is basula, ya besulu. This is
Ya,
Toma.
dulu.
Yes. Okay. Then they give you Arabic. If they give you Arabic means the letters is more than this one. So you follow this one, but you put the harakah based on this. So basula, and then they never give you the tamar buta because can be tan, can be tin, can be tun, right?
Okay.
So ba fathah. Oh, sorry, it's not basula. This is basala because this is alif after the sin, so cannot be su. Yes. So this is basa latun. Latan, Latin. Okay, basa latun. Can? So that's how you read or put the harakah for this. Okay? If they never give you the Arabic means it's just 3 letters, then you put based on this. Okay, they always will never say the last harakah because obviously the last harakah can be Dhamma, can be Fathah, can be Kasrah. Okay? Can?
Can.
Okay. Now for the tribes.
Can.
So each tribe basically will have each sub-sagir, yes? So I don't need you to remember the whole line because this one this is not a set pattern as I said, yes? So I just need you to remember the first two, Madi, Mudhari, Mudhari. Okay? So the first one is Nasara Yansuru. So Fathah Dhamma, Nasara Yansuru. The second one is Daraba Yadribu, Fathah Kasrah. The third one is Fataha Yaftahu, Fathah. So Nasara Yansuru, Daraba Yadribu, Fataha Yaftahu. That's 3. Number 4, Sami'a Yasma'u, Kasrah Fathah. Hasiba Yahsibu, Hasiba Yahsibu here, Kasrah. I will explain why this is not at that order. And then the last one, Karuma Yakrum. Okay, so 6, you have to remember Madi Mutari. Actually, you don't have to remember if you don't want to. It's really up to you. But if you remember, right, then when you see this, you can easily say, this is Doroba Yadribu. This is Sami Ayasma'u. Yes? Because you see AI, IA. This is Karuma Yakrumu. Very easy, you can do that. That's the point of remembering. But because if I give you the madi of a word, right? Let's say I give you uh do ba to. Okay? The thing is you cannot know which tribe because it can be Nasoro. It can be because this is Fatah, yes, it can be Nasoro Yansuru, it can be Doroba Yadribu, or it can be Fataha Yaftahu. Or the other way, if I give you a mudhari like Yaf'alu, for example, it could be Fataha, it could be Sami'ah. So, yeah, the thing is you will always have to see the dictionary when you see like one of the word, whether you see Madi or Mudhari, you have to see the dictionary to see what is the Madi or what is the Mudhari. Okay? The only point of me asking you to memorize if you want to is for easy recognition only. So whatever root letters you search for, because they will give you that way, right? So I don't know, Ain Mim Ra. So you can see Nasara Yansuru, Doroba Yadribu. And then you have 2 Amar here. 2 master here. And then after that, you have Karuma Yakrumu, and then another master for that tribe. Like that. Okay. So one root letter can have different tribes with the same meaning, or one root letter can have different tribes with different meaning. Also can. Yes, here also have some more. Amaro Ya'muru here. So this is Nasara Yansuru. This is also nasara yang suruh, but have a different meaning already.
Oh.
So family one is like that a bit. It's very like all over the place a bit. Okay? So yes, so up to you if you want to memorize that or not. Nasara yang suruh. That only helps to make it faster to recognize only. Okay? Can? Inshallah.
Can.
Okay. So we end here for today. I will go back to all these 6 tribes and talk about them one by one with you, inshallah, in the next lesson. Yes. Okay. So any questions so far?
So far no question, but it should like more responsible. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but it might seem overwhelming, but trust me, it will not, inshallah. It will become like the back of your hand, inshallah.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, so don't worry so much. Okay, if there's no questions, then I see you on Friday, inshallah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.